What do you think?
He's like, I don't know. I don't know about them. Oh!
How about that?
Oh my gosh. They're crazy funny. You're like, what just happened, right, Inoki?
Yeah.
What just happened? He's like, I don't know. Shake it off. Yeah, that's right. Shake it off. Good job, Inoki. Oh, here comes Yuki. Yuki boy.
Kitty cat.
Yuki, we got the kittens. You want to see them? He's like, no, I don't really care. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at those tails. Oh.